Isaac and his mother lived alone in a small house on a hill. Isaac kept to himself, drawing pictures and playing with his toys as his mom watched Christian broadcasts on the television. Life was simple, and they were both happy. That was until the day Isaac's mom heard a voice from above. "Your son has become corrupted by sin. He needs to be saved." "I will do my best to save him, my lord," Isaac's mother replied, rushing into Isaac's room, removing all that was evil from his life. Again the voice called to her. "Isaac's soul is still corrupt. He needs to be cut off from all that is evil in this world and confess his sins." "I will follow your instructions, Lord. I have faith in thee," Isaac's mother replied, as she locked Isaac in his room, away from the evils of the world. One last time, Isaac's mom heard the voice of God calling to her. "You've done as I've asked, but I still question your devotion to me. To prove your faith, I will ask one more thing of you." "Yes, Lord, anything," Isaac's mother begged. "To prove your love and devotion, I require a sacrifice. Your son Isaac will be this sacrifice. Go into his room and end his life as an offering to me to prove you love me above all else." "Yes, Lord," she replied, grabbing a butcher's knife from the kitchen. Isaac, watching through a crack in his door, trembled in fear. Scrambling around his room to find a hiding place, he noticed a trap door to the basement hidden under his rug. Without hesitation, he flung open the hatch, just as his mother burst through his door and threw himself down into the unknown depths below.
Hello everyone, it's your friendly neighbourhood Budgie, and I'm going to be having a go at Binding of Isaac and attempt to get the Common Cold achievement for the first time. I have played a little bit of Binding of Isaac before, so I have a few of the items already unlocked. In order to get the Common Cold, I'm going to need to find 2 of the 3 virus items in the same playthrough of the game. So that would be the virus, Roid Rage, and if I can find it on here, there should be growth hormones. So I need to find 2 out of those 3 in the same playthrough. So I have no idea if this is going to work. It's going to be pure chance, but if it does in the first try, it'll be amazing. So I am going to play a random character. Actually, maybe I should go... I'm thinking I should go Cain for now, purely because Cain is a very useful character to have in this playthrough for now. I would like to go Isaac, but I haven't unlocked the D6, which allows me to get rid of items and replace them with another item, and re-roll what comes into a room. Instead I'm going to play Cain, because I feel that the lucky foot could be useful in order to get some pills and other things like that that might actually help this playthrough, and it will give me more chance of getting the item and things like slot machines. So without further ado, I'm going to head down into the cellar. Okay, a couple of these things, it shouldn't be too bad. So, Binding of Isaac is a game that always starts off a little bit easier and then gets harder as we go along. So, treasure rooms like this one are the ones that could have the items. Okay, so this is Bob's curse, so it'll make my bombs poison and give me 5 bombs to start off with. That'll be useful. I may be able to find the secret room in this. I will keep going for now and see if I can get a little bit of a layout of the map. So getting hit like that is not something I want to do fairly. But this pill will be useful now because I've got the lucky foot for playing as Cain. That will mean that when I reroll pills, they can't be bad things. There might be pills that do nothing, like bad gas, but it can't be a bad thing. So tears up. So we're going to be shooting a bit faster. That'll be useful. Spiders. Wow, that jumped a lot further than I expected it to. There's no point unlocking that shop because I've only got 1 coin. For a second I thought that explosion hit me. Why can't I aim in a straight line? Why is it so hard? And now I've got 8 bombs. Now I definitely want to try and find the secret room. So this is the full layout of the map. Now I think I am going to try here first. No, okay. So I'm going to try again and see if it's here. No, okay. Where else could it be? It could be down here. This is going well so far. Is it here? I don't think it's anywhere else. There it is. Oh yes, coins. Okay. Do I have 15? Yes. Okay. Since I have 2 keys, it might be worth going into the shop. Because there can only be items for 15 or less. And I found the super secret room. Please be good. Well, the heart will be useful. I know there's a lot more hearts there. If something goes wrong after the boss, I can come back and get more. Now, I can get a map of the floor. I feel like in this case they won't be as useful as the pill will be. So I'm just going to go for this pill. A blue pill, I don't know what it does yet. Bomb's a key, okay. Now so I only have 1 bomb left. I have 3 keys, so it's what the bombs are in my keys. Now for the first boss, pin. This guy is very annoying because I've known him a couple of times. I have faced him before. And he certainly likes to jump around. Hello. No. No. No, 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 no. Get away. Behave, I'm on YouTube. I am now concerned this entire series is going to be a lot of me going no, no, uh-oh the entire time, which yeah, he's trapped in the chest. This game is so lovely. Poor psychopaths. There we go. I don't know why I'm getting hit, that's annoying. Well, I know why I keep getting hit. It's like I have to admit that I am. Why are you running away from me? Now I've got 10 gold, I could spend that at the arcade. For now I will leave it, but it could be very useful to have the arcade later. What I really want is to find the treasure vault and see if it has one of the 3 items I can use. treasure room, please be a virus, please. What? Remote detonator, okay. So, if I place down a bomb, it's not going to detonate until I press the space bar to blow it up. So I can choose when my bombs explode. That can be useful, and in fact I can use it now to get that. And wait until... oh, oops. Hello, why are you... go away. So because I... and it didn't even hit... oh! It didn't even hit the blue square. I need to hit that before he moves out of the way. That is not... so blue squares always give you an item in this game. You're never quite sure what it is, but in this case I got a soul heart, which is useful. I probably shouldn't have picked it up immediately, but it's fine, I picked it up now. Sometimes it's better to wait till after the boss so that you can take the next one, but... wait, I'm losing health, I need it now. The sad onion. Okay, so now my tears are going to be really fast, I'm getting a lot of tears up. Now, I'm pretty desperate for health. I'm wondering if spending some gold at the arcade to try and get some would be useful. And there's a heart. Okay. What I'd really like to do is spend a lot of gold here. And then if I get some hearts, I should be able to spend them elsewhere, such as at the blood donation point. Oh, more points. That's good. I can spend more money gambling. That puts me at full health. 5 more. And this blood bag. Okay. That's what I needed exactly. And I'll check. That's no. That's fine. I need nothing more from you, good sir. I don't need Scatoli. That guy only drops one item as far as I can tell from Scatoli. I get confused because supposedly it makes flies not attack you, but I'm not quite sure that's exactly how it works. Now I got the bum friend. I probably should have gotten the tarot card in hindsight, because what is really useful in this map is if you can get something like a beggar, which is basically the same as a bum friend, but one that I can then place in a treasure room to get items from. Because then, since the viruses only drop, or since the syringes only drop in the treasure room, it would be better off for me to have a beggar or something that I can place to get an extra item from the treasure room, which gives me an extra chance of finding it. Mum's heals. So to increase my range. Nope. And I can also check the devil. Okay. 2 Guppy's items. Now I've already done 2 floors. And I can't seem to get... I haven't seen any syringes yet, so it's very unlikely for me to get the common cold in this playthrough. What I'm thinking is, since there's 2 Guppy items in this room, I should get both of them, sacrifice some health, and then try and go through this playthrough and get 3 Guppy items to transform into Guppy, because this is very useful. I'm gonna do that. This is no longer an episode about the common cold, this is an episode about Guppy. In order to do that, I will take Guppy's paw, then I will take the dead cat. Now I'm on 1 heart of health. That wasn't the Guppy. That was Guppy's head. Drat. I thought that was the dead cat, and this is a little because the dead cat is the one that gives you 9 lives. So I thought I had 9 lives, but I actually don't, which means I just sacrificed 3 hearts of health. And now I've only got 1 life. This needs to go well. I did not recognize what that item was. Oh no. I thought that would give me 9 lives. Why is it Guppy's head? I need to find a way to increase my max health. This is going to be a real problem. So Guppy's head is just going to spawn some flies every so often. I think this will take minutes. I have a feeling this playthrough is going to conclude very soon. Okay, so the bum will steal some of my coins, but well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. This has been your friendly neighborhood Budgie playing Binding of Isaac. Good riddance, I am such an idiot. I will try to do better for you guys next time and not make a silly mistake, and I will see you all soon.